If you're wondering how to watch Crunchyroll on Sony Bravia TV, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. There are two ways to go ahead and do so. The first is just downloading and installing the Crunchyroll application in your Google Play Store icon on Sony Bravia TV. The second way you can watch it is going to be by simply opening your Crunchyroll. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you simply go ahead and log in into your account like I'm about to do, what you can do is simply go ahead and use features like screen mirroring or casting, and that is something your TV is also going to go ahead and support. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on screen mirroring tab, and it is going to go ahead and show you your TV like how it is right here. Simply tap on your TV, and what it's going to do is simply going to go ahead and show whatever is on your phone into your TV. So it is as simple as that. If you want to go ahead and check it out, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you on my laptop just like that. As you can see on my laptop, it is currently taking the mirror. So whatever I do here, it is going to go ahead and show it on my laptop. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.